Hi, my name is Allison Weddle and I'm the owner of Rappahannock Cleaning Services, and today we're going to do a training on how to clean a toilet. So at first we just have to make sure we have the supplies we need. I have a general all-purpose cleaner right here. I also have a toilet bowl cleaner. I have a bag of rags, and I have a bag for dirty rags. So we're going to start by using our cleaning rag and wiping down the top of the toilet, making sure to get the handle. And we're going to wipe the entire tank underneath, making sure to get underneath. And we're going to do a good job of getting all around the plastic pieces that cover the bolts that hold the toilet seat down. We're going to get the outside of the cover. We're going to get the inside, making sure that we get down here in the crevices really well. Now we're going to get the bowl. Clean rag. You can see I'm kind of working my way down. And of course, don't forget to wear gloves like I'm doing when you're working with a toilet, especially if you're cleaning somebody else's toilet. We're getting the outside of the bowl all the way down here at the bottom. And then you want to make sure you get the floor right around the edge. Get any dried up residue. Alright, then we're going to spray the inside of our bowl. I'm going to use our toilet bowl brush if you have one. And we're going to take our brush and we're going to pull it across the rim, along the rim. And then we're going to get down into the toilet with the brush, giving it a little bit of elbow grease, shake it out, return it. We're going to take our rag and we're going to clean the inside of the rim with our rag to make sure we're getting all that extra residue up. And we're going to give it a good flush. Alright, our last step is to shake our toilet bowl cleaner. Give it a good shake. And you just need to pour a little bit in there, and that helps keep your bowl fresh. And you're all set.